I'm in a celebration mood, yeah, and it's all because of you, my dearest subscribers. And so I did this video. I put on my celebration cap to show you I'm in celebration. Yes, I'm celebrating. And do you know why? Yes, you have all made it possible. You have made it possible for me to reach 10,000 subscribers. Oh, and I did this video in honor of you, to just thank you, my dearest subscribers. Thank you for sticking with me till now. Thank you for watching my videos, for commenting, for liking, for subscribing, for sharing. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful to you. Thank you very much. My thanks goes to God Almighty. Really, it's all by His strength. Sometimes I'm like, oh, do I have to make another video? And He gives me the strength even when I'm weak. I'm able to, like now, the time is actually 1 a.m. and I got up and I was like, nah, I need to make this video to thank you all before we enter 11 subscribers, and I haven't thanked you, because I know we're going to get there. 20 subscribers, I know we're going to get there very soon. So I said, let me do this video in appreciation to God and in appreciation to you, my dearest subscribers. Thank you. Even if you haven't subscribed to this great channel of mine, don't hold on, don't delay. Just pause the video right now. Pause it, click the subscribe button, and let's make 20K happen. Okay, yeah, I would like to use this medium to apologize. Yes, well, I meant to bring to you the results of the best design challenge today, but because I couldn't wait, and I'm sure you understand why, I decided to do this first. So if you haven't submitted your the pictures of what you have made, as you have been inspired by any video that I have done, if you haven't submitted yet, this is a chance for you so that you get enrolled in the next challenge. So let's leave that for next week, Tuesday, and that would be the 23rd of November. So if you haven't done that, just check the link below for the Vendcraft Academy reception. Click on it and send me your pictures. When you send pictures, you have to say which of the videos, you name the video that you got inspired to do that particular design, and if it rhymes, yeah, you would be up for the next challenge. Okay, do let me know in the comment section what videos you're looking forward to seeing, and I would do my best possible to make them appear. If you want to learn how to make this lovely Zulu Isichiolo hat, I've done it before, but in case you haven't seen it, do check the link above and you will get to know how to make this hat. And if you like the music that you just heard, it's from Harry Z. If you check the link below, you will get the contacts, his social media handles, and you can contact him to get the song also. Listen again.
My light shines brighter and brighter every day. I go rock a candle. My supply no be from here. My wisdom no be from here. My insights no be from here. All of them are supernatural. Just a life I'm taught to live. Take a look at me, I'm free. I don't walk by the system of this world, cause I'm governed by gospel. And that makes me supernatural. I'm a success manager. You can call me.
We will meet in my next video. Is goodbye and God bless. Thank you once more, 10K subscribers.